Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect if you are looking to have a breath of fresh air in your home and you're wanting to keep that air in its best quality possible. And that is, it is a nice air purifier.
So this was sent over by LEVOIT, and this is their Eleva 300X series.
So naturally, it is going to come with a user manual that tells you all about it. We're covering the features right here in the video. Now, this thing is designed for large room spaces, so living room, bedroom, basically anything under 1,200 square foot, so big amount of room area. Now, the first thing that makes this air purifier unique is it does multiple readings of the different types of air qualities out there. So it can read to 1.0, it can do the more standard one you see out there, which is the 2.5, and that's kind of things like your kitchen smoke and bacon grease and that kind of stuff when you're cooking. Then it's going to be able to do the much bigger particles, so this is kind of like pollen at the PM10, and then it has a different mode that's going to blend all those through their app. So how you're going to basically change those is you're going to see these arrows. As you can see out on the PM10 right now, press the arrow, it's going to go to the 2.5, then it's going to go to the 1.0 or their AQI, which is the intelligence of all of them here. And you'll notice it has this nice glowing light around here, and that's basically just giving you a visual snapshot of what the current air quality is. So if it's in blue, that's a good sign, and that means your air is great. If it's red, it means it's basically detecting poor air quality itself. Now, in the app, it does come with an optional app. You can completely use it or not. It's up to you, and that is called the VeSync app, and that's going to give you readings basically of your air quality throughout the day, and then it's also going to be able to give you notifications. For example, if it detects high on the PM10, then maybe it'll, you want to shut your windows because there is a high pollen count outside, that kind of stuff. So it's a nice little feature. You can check it out. It gives all the different kind of stats on there. It's just helpful information, if you will. Now, as far as the actual running of the mechanism, it is on right now, super quiet. If you are concerned and you're having this in your bedroom and you don't want to hear sound, this thing is incredibly quiet on its lowest setting. It even does have a sleep mode. You'll notice there is a little moon here. You press that and it's going to essentially put it in its lowest setting, and then it's going to turn off all the lights so you don't have to worry about that light glowing up your room. And it's uber quiet, and then you can go ahead and press that fan button in the middle and it'll go ahead and take it off that sleep mode. Now, I always leave this on the auto. I like the auto feature because it's using all three of those sensors to determine what the air quality is and determining how it needs to adjust the fan speed. However, if you want to manually adjust it, you can take it off auto by hitting that fan button. You got the 1, you got the 2, you got the 3, and then you got the turbo. Now, the turbo's kind of nice. So let's say you burn some bacon, right? And you wanna go ahead and get that out of your room really quickly. You can hit it on turbo, and as you can see, this is the loudest it gets. It's gonna fully pull in that air along the sides and then push it out the top. And even on its loudest setting, it's pretty quiet, which is a nice little feature of it as well. And then finally, next to the fans basically button, you're gonna notice it's got this like sun with a line. That is just gonna give you the option to turn off the screen separately. For example, you still want it on turbo, not the sleep mode, but you don't want to look at the light, you can go ahead and press that. Now, if you hold that button down, it's going to put it in the child lock or pet lock mode, and no one's going to be able to touch the little screen here, which is a nice little aspect, so no one can mess with the controls. And then the power button's right there at the top. Now, let's talk about filter. So first off, very easy to change the filter. You're just going to go ahead and unscrew it and pull it straight out of the bin here. Bin's very easy to clean. Got this little simple holes here. You can easily wash this off with a hose if it gets lots of dust on here or hair or anything like that. It also has some nice anti-slip feet here at the bottom. And then you're gonna see it's a drum style filter. This does lock. So you'll notice here in the front, you got your multiple sensors here. That's what these two little things are. And then on the back side is a button. You're gonna press that and it's going to go ahead and unlock the filter itself. So that way you can go ahead and remove it. This filter lasts a long time. Now, obviously it's going to be depending on how dirty your home is, depending on what it's detecting, but you're going to get about 2 years out of the main filter. Now, it's cleverly designed because you can see you got your main filter here on the outside. It's got this nice little thin pre-screen filter. I would recommend checking it at least every 3 months. Make sure you got any hair or stuff, get it off of this little pre-filter. You can vacuum that off or just wipe it off. And then just make sure it's running at its optimal. But then you're gonna notice on the inside here, it's got this nice active carbon filter. This comes out, it's separate because the carbon filters have a tendency to go out a lot faster than main filters on air purifiers. So this guy you can change about every 6 months, and it's purely helping with odors. So for example, you get a lot of smoke smells or just you have a lot of pets, you may want to change this more often. Matter of fact, they even have different types of carbon filter inserts that you can put in your device depending on your personal environment. This is just their standard one, but very easy to swap out. And then like I said, the main filter itself is going to last up to 2 years. So this is all part of their DuoShield modular kind of setup. Really, really smart as far as how it works. Now, it does have a nice seal when it comes onto here, so you don't have any air leakage. You're not gonna get that air. It's all truly coming through here in this filter, the HEPA filter on the bottom side, and because obviously the sensor, it's able to catch 0.3 microns as far as particles. So those are really, really, really tiny particles that this thing is able to capture, which is really, really cool. And then as I mentioned earlier, you can see you got your little sensors here, and this is your AirSight Plus 2.0 sensor is what they call it, but it's able to read all those different air qualities to make sure that the machine is operating at its peak performance for you in your environment. As far as the whole setup of this thing, you can see it's very, very compact. So even though it can cover up a large room space, it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's about 9.5 inches in diameter, and then it's basically about 15 inches in height as far as if you have it sticking in a corner or something like that. And like I said, it pulls in that air at 360 degrees. So if you're in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great air purifier, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.